Hey Model Railroaders, just a quick tip if you're installing this style of control panel uh, where you've got the top is flush with the surface of your layout and you've got it tight and vertical on the supports there, is to take a piece of 1x4 that's longer than your control panel and using some of the clamps tighten it actually to the benchwork itself on both sides, as you see that I've done, and then using two other clamps position your control panel and clamp it to the board that you've just clamped to your benchwork and snug it down so that it's up against the edge of the benchwork on both sides and snug to the bottom of the 1x4 on the top. I've already pre-drilled the holes, and using the screws, I'm going to screw from the back into the sides here of the control panel, and that will leave it flush and secure, and then that'll allow for all the wiring to tuck underneath the 1x4 like I've done it on the other panels, so that it's not really seen. The little bit of cabling you're seeing is actually running to the Digitrax panel for the throttle panel. So just thought I would grab the camera since it was close by and just show you what you can do when you don't have that an individual to give you a hand at the moment when you're ready to do the installation, so that you can get by without waiting. All you need is a piece of wood, 4 clamps, and you're good to go. So till later, enjoy working on your layout. Bye for now.